let's check out some of the best things to do in Atlanta during the month of March. Hi, I'm Joy with Unexpected Atlanta, and we hope that you'll join us soon on one of our incredible food and history walking tours. In this video, we're sharing the best things to eat, see, and do during the month of March, whether you're an Atlanta local or a tourist. So let's dive in. First, experience the Atlanta Science Festival, the city's largest interactive science event with programs for all ages. Experiment and learn with activities at 150 events at venues all across Atlanta, like Fernbank Science Center, right behind me. This is just 180+ community partners supporting the Atlanta Science Festival, engineered by Science ATL. Event topics range from technology to animals and the natural world to robots, space, and more. The Atlanta Science Festival has something for everyone. Plus, events span 2 weeks, 2 full weeks during the month of March, giving you plenty of time to enjoy everything. Trust me, you won't want to miss this science takeover of the city. Looking to celebrate St. Patrick's Day? Well, join the fun of the Atlanta St. Patrick's Day Parade. Kick off your celebrations with the city's longest running event. Spanning over 10 blocks, this free parade includes floats, a drum corps, bagpipes, dancers, drill teams, and more. And all the fun starts right behind me at the corner of 15th Street and Peachtree Street in Midtown Atlanta, rain or shine. People from all of Atlanta's diverse backgrounds are encouraged to connect and contribute to the Irish community throughout the day's celebrations. Because participation in the parade isn't just an Irish thing, it's for everyone. And finally, you can close out the month of March with savory bites and sips at the Georgia Food and Wine Festival in Marietta. Serving plenty of flavors and pours, this festival has favorites for every taste bud. And for those aged 21 and older, you can enjoy an adult-only crowd on Friday and Saturday. And for families of all ages, enjoy the Georgia Food and Wine Festival on Thursday and Sunday. You'll enjoy live music, arts and crafts, dancing, barbecue vendors, a shopping area, and more. The festival even has a kids zone. Now, of course, our favorite Atlanta food experience during March and year-round is the Unexpected Atlanta Grant Park Food Tour. And you can check out that experience and more at unexpectedatlanta.com. Come see why our walking tours have nearly 1,500 5-star reviews on TripAdvisor. And be sure, as always, to hit the like and subscribe to stay in the know with all things Atlanta. Hey, we can't wait to see you out and about this March.